Cute house, everyone, look. This is half concrete house, everybody. Half concrete, tapos, and it's a cement down there. So this is my neighbor house, everybody. It's so pretty, look at that. Where's you? Pay pangod gipawod lang iring gamit diri mapaso. Uy, karesyo. Ayun ang mga yatot. Mga nadyatot. Mga update ako. Ang sige dalagan ka maringaset gabi. Karesyo, everybody. This is the house. This is the tiny one. This is not 100 square meter actually. Pero ini kuya, ipera ka kuan la size?
14-20 ini.
4 by 20 only. And it's so pretty. Look at that. Half concrete. Tapos finishing pagod na sulod, no? Oh. Uy, karesyo. Pwede sumulod. Pwede natamakan. Okay. Oh my God. Husay nga balay. So this is the restroom, everybody. And there is the kitchen. Cute kitchen. Moros juga ko ang semento. Diba? Double walling, everybody. They use the coconut. Oh, double walling. Oh, amakan na gawas. Musim ba yun? Hindi ka man ako namakan.
Kan ini kan di kapis.
Dito ka mo kan kuan Roy. Oo, mga panakon kan Roy ito. Pretty house, everybody.
350.
Thank you. Hoy, Kuya El, marain ba ko na bug ka na? Ay, ka naman magsinayaw rito ka.